Hey guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where we do affordable RC product reviews. This time we're bringing to you, it's the Toyota Supra. It's Brian's Toyota Supra from Fast and the Furious, brought to you by Jada Cars, or Jada RC Products. Looks pretty cool. The good thing about this is actually a drift car. My son's wanted one for quite a while. We stumbled across this, I think it was £10 off. Can't remember where we got it from. Been buying so much stuff recently, so don't forget, on that note, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That will notify you when we're uploading new videos to YouTube. We do have giveaways that we've brought the giveaways back, so check those out. The one that's up and running at this point in time is the one for the BMW i8, so check that video out. But yeah, this time, this isn't a giveaway, we're just bringing you the actual product review. It is 2.4, so there'll be no interference. We're just going to do a quick run around what the product does and what it comes with. The only thing that you actually need for this vehicle is two AA batteries for the hand controller. It has a rechargeable battery pack. Like I said, it's 2.4. I'm not even sure what the recommended age is. Like I said before, it's a drift car. As you can see, within the box itself, it comes with spare tires, wheels and tires. Or is it just tires? No, wheels and tires. Looks like we've got quite a decent hand controller. So just looking at the back, like we said, rechargeable, battery pack, recommended age, if we can find it, is, okay, it doesn't have a recommended, I know it does down there, but my eyes are going as I'm getting older, is 8+ years of age. And like we said, it's Brian's Toyota Supra from Fast and the Furious. Looks awesome, extremely detailed. Also has a turbo boost button, not sure what that's about, well, we'll look into it. We're gonna get straight into an unboxing and then bring this product to you, actually running out in the street with my little boy. Definitely got enough clearance to run over most terrain. I see that the body possibly can come off, so we'll look into that. Not sure if it can or it can't, but we'll look into everything and see if it actually can come off. And then obviously the interchangeable, once the tires are actually, the wheels and tires are worn out, you've got a spare set of wheels and tires. Right guys, on that note, let's get straight into an unboxing. Okay guys, after that quick, let's just get seated here. Right guys, after that quick unboxing, this is what you get in the box. Hand controller. I thought it was spare wheels and tires. No, actually it's just cardboard inserts, so you just get the tires themselves, which is quite a hard compound, noting the reason it actually can drift. It has drifting capabilities. All right, so that's that. Hand controller, two AA batteries, that's all this vehicle requires. So let's just pop those down there. Back of the hand controller, safety screw, pop that off, pop the batteries in. Not going to bore you with all of that. We're going to look more into the car itself. Not even sure where this actually charges from. I'm terrible in that sense to not read any of the instructions. But there is a clip there. It's the battery box underneath, so we're just going to clip that open. And then what you find, right, so this is slightly different to a lot of the other products. This is already actually connected to the battery itself, so you've got the USB lead. So all you need to do is pop that open. That'll plug into any main supply, a USB supply, be it into your PC or into the wall, whatever the case may be, and then give that a full charge. Underneath, as you can see, you've got your trim. That'll trim the wheels left or right, right to left, whichever it's pulling to. So pretty basic, but like we said, it is a drift car. It's got your on and off button underneath. So once we've got it fully charged, put that back, put the body shell back on, make sure the clips are all back on safely. We'll get to running the vehicle and see exactly what it's got. Pretty detailed. Obviously, there's a lot of fans out there that follow the Fast and the Furious. Probably watched all of their movies myself. Bit far-fetched, a lot of them, what they do, but hey, cool, it all keeps us entertained, so it's all awesome. Right guys, I'm back from charging the car itself. It took about 60 minutes or so. You get a green flashing LED light from underneath the car. Once that is a solid green LED, it means it's fully charged. Obviously dress the cable, the USB cable back in underneath, clip that in place. So what we're gonna do now, oh, another thing guys, note I've still got my AA batteries. It already comes with heavy duty AA batteries underneath. I hadn't actually had a look. It doesn't even need, it hasn't got a safety screw, it's just got a tab. You push it in and that slides open, yeah? Hang on, push it right down properly. And there's your 2 heavy duty batteries that are supplied with the vehicle. So this is literally RTR, this is ready to run guys. So let's pop that back on, without breaking it, that's clipped into position. So always turn on the hand controller first, turning that on, red flashing LED light. Then we go to the underneath of the car, put the switch on, what's that got? Flashing red LED light. As you can see, it's bound, hand controller's bound to the model itself, to the car, and we're good to go. Let's give it a quick squirt of the gas, which is pressing the trigger towards you. Right, this is 4-wheel drive, and then away from you, which is in reverse. It seems pretty nippy already. And then obviously, if you look at the hand controller, that'll be right, and that'll be left. Right, left, right. Pretty cool little hand controller, and because it's 2.4, we don't need a massive aerial on the actual hand controller, so that's all built in, which is pretty smart. There's your little boost button as well. Not sure what that does yet. But yeah guys, she's good to go. We're gonna take her outside. I reckon this is gonna be pretty cool. My son's gonna absolutely love it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this model outside and put it to the test.
That's skills, man. What do you reckon? Awesome, yeah?